Hey guys, I am Abhijit Das, a trainer in the pharma industry, and I am servicing this industry for last 36 years. I shall be presenting the basics of medical science in 13 episodes, where I shall be covering cell, tissue, anatomy and physiology in a very simple English language. This video module will be useful for those who are aspiring to become the part of this pharma industry, and also those who are already servicing this industry. Today, it is the Understanding of the Medical Terminologies, episode number 1. Now, the study of the medical science is vast and complex. The language used in the medical science is often derived from the other languages like Greek or Latin, and thus makes it difficult to understand, comprehend, and at the same time difficult to reproduce. This is because in those times, most of the fundamentals of the medical science were laid down by the physicians like Socrates, Hippocrates and others. However, the doctor who undergoes this arduous training in like his MBBS is very fluent and conversant with this language. Now let us look at the technique in the most of the medical terms, how it is formed. Most of the medical terms are being formed with two things. One is the suffix and another is the prefix. So prefix means which comes before, suffix which comes after. So suppose tonsil is an organ of the upper respiratory tract. Now if we add a suffix itis, that means inflammation. So a new word that forms is the tonsillitis, and that means inflammation of the tonsils. A Greek hepato means liver, and the megaly means the enlargement. Now hepatomegaly is the new word which is formed with the help of these two words, and that means the enlargement of the liver. Spleen is an organ, so splenomegaly means the enlargement of the spleen. And let us see a few more examples. Arthro means bone joint, itis means inflammation. So arthritis means the inflammation of the bone joint. Angio denotes an artery or a blood vessel, and plasty means the reconstructive surgery. So angioplasty, which means the reconstructive surgery of the blood vessels. Similarly, cardio means heart. Let us now apply a suffix logy, which means study, and so a new word will be formed which means the cardiology, that means the study of the heart and its structure. Brady means slow, cardia relates to the heart, so bradycardia, which simply means the slow heart rate. Similarly, if we add tachy and cardia, so it is the tachycardia, that means the fast heart rate. Faster heart rate as compared to the normal. Few more examples. Broncho means the air passage of the lung. Itis means inflammation. So bronchitis means the inflammation of the air passage of the lungs. Cyto means cell, and cytology means study of the cell and its structure. So thereby there many new words can be formed if we understand the basic words. So derma is skin, itis means inflammation. So the new word which can be formed is dermatitis, that means inflammation of the skin. Now I will go to the extra, that means outside, and cellular means cell. So the new word is extracellular. The meaning is very simple, meaning is outside the cell. Coming to another word, glyco, which means sugar, and lysis means breakdown. So glycolysis is the breakdown of the sugar. Let us take few more examples. Intra, that means within, and venous means the vein. So intravenous means within the vein. You know intravenous injection. Myo means muscles, cardia means heart. So myocardium means the heart muscles, which is the middle layer of the heart. Nephro is kidney, and itis means inflammation. So nephritis means the inflammation of the kidney. So improve your further medical vocabulary like this. Practice with me. Osteo is bone. Cyte means cell. So osteocyte means the bone cells. Pyo means pus. Rhea means excessive discharge. So pyuria is the new word, and the meaning of it is discharge of the pus and blood from the gum. A very common word in the dentistry. Vaso means blood vessels, and constriction means the decrease of the lumen. Lumen means diameter. So vasoconstriction is the new word, and that means the decrease of the lumen of the blood vessel, that means diameter of the blood vessels. Internal diameter. Now A means absence or deficiency. Anemia is the hemoglobin or blood. So anemia, that means the deficiency of the hemoglobin. Myo I have already told. So myalgia means pain. So myalgia means muscle pain. An means absence. Algia means pain. So analgia means the condition of no pain. So we know the analgesics. We take those tablets for the pain, treatment of pain. Bacteria is the microscopic living organisms, and cidal means killing. Bactericidal means the killing of the bacteria. Pathos means disease, and logy means study. We already know it. So pathology means the study of the disease and its causes. An means absence. Algia means pain. So analgia means the condition of no pain. Leuco, that means white. Cyte means cell. That means leukocyte. Leukocyte is a type of blood cell that is called white blood cells. Leukocyte is WBC. We already know white blood cells. And pinia, that means deficiency. So we can form a new word, leukocytopenia. Deficiency of the WBC. Similarly, hyper means excessive. Tension means pressure. So the new word is hypertension, which means the excessive or the high blood pressure. Hypo means low, and tension means pressure. So there can be condition of the hypotension, which means the low blood pressure. Now medical worksheet meaning you will see. Aesthesia means sensation. That's why we called anesthesia, means there will be no sensation, which is used during surgery. Algia you already know. Angio means blood vessels. Arthro means joint. Broncho means the windpipe of the lung. Cardia means heart. Chole means bile. Cholecystectomy you might have heard. So that means the removal of the gallbladder. Chondro is cartilage. So chondrocyte, cell of the cartilage are known as chondrocytes. Cranio is skull. Cysto is bladder. Cyto is cell. Derma skin. Encephalo means brain. You have heard encephalopathy. Encephalitis, inflammation of the brain. Gastro means the stomach. Gastritis you are aware. Glosso means tongue. Hemo means blood. Hepato means liver. Hepatology. Hepatomegaly, already we spoke about it. Histo means tissue. Histopathology. Hystero means uterus. You might have heard total hysterectomy. Ectomy is the removal. So hystero, whenever we add ectomy along with the hystero, it becomes the removal of the uterus. Lipo is fat. Liposuction. Logos is the study. So cardiology. So logos is logy is derived from the logo. Myo means muscles. Nephro means kidney. Neuro means nerve. Neurology. Oma means tumor. Ophthalmo, that means eye. Oro is muscles. Mouth. Osteo means bone. Osteocyte we call bone cell. Oto means ear. You might have heard ENT specialists are called otorhinopharyngologist. Patho means disease, pathology you have heard. Pinia means deficiency, leukocytopenia. Phagia means eating, dysphagia means difficulty in eating. So pharmaco means drug, pharmacology you have heard. Phlebo means vein, and pio means pass, rhino means nose. Salpingo means uterine tube, salpingitis, the word, medical word, very common medical word in the gynecology. Soma means body, steato means fat, steatohepatitis it is called, that means whenever there is a fatty liver, that is also called in medical term the steatohepatitis. Stoma is mouth, trophy means nourishment, thrombo is clot. And few more words. A means absence, anti means against, antibiotic against the bacteria. Auto means self, bi means two, brady means slow, di means two, dis means painful like dysmenorrhea, painful menstrual cycle, painful menstruation. Ecto is the outer, endo means inner. Endocrine glands, it is very common words in the medical science. AP is the above, erythro is red. Erythrocyte, red blood cells are called erythrocytes. Exo means outer, leuco means white, macro means large, mal means bad, malnutrition, very common word. Mega means large. Some more words, micro means small, mono means single, oligo means less. Oligouria means if there is a less formation of urine, it is called oligouria. Ortho is upright. So whenever we change a posture, there is a fall in the blood pressure, that is called orthostatic hypotension. Para by the side, peri that means around, surrounding, poly means many, post means after, pre means before, retro means behind, semi means half, sub means below. Super means above, supra is also above, tachy, fast, trans means across, transcellular, across the cell. Few more words. Anemia is the presence of blood, algia is painful, ectomy means removal, emesis means vomiting, genic means causing, itis means inflammation, lysis means breakdown, oma means tumor, tomy means cutting, pathy means disease, pinia means lack, less, leukocytopenia. Then pepsia means digestion, phagia means eating, phobia means fear, plasty means repair, ria means the flow. So you need to practice all these words, as you can see this during the video, and once you practice, then try to form the new medical words whenever you come across. So at least whenever you practice, so if a new medical words if you come across, it will be very easier for you. You can get in touch with me in this email address abhijitdas61@gmail.com. So guys, signing out until we meet next in the next episode.